Hi, today allow me to show you one interesting thing to do on Dahua recorders, and that is to export footage to an external USB. So I'm going to plug this USB into my recorder. Then once I have it running, I come to main menu. Then I come to, usually there is a pop-up, but I'll just ignore it. I'll come to this option called backup. Then I'll say like I want to try and backup channel 1, 2, 3. I can decide the storage path that I want based on what I have on my flash disk. But in this case I'll just leave it at the default. Then once I've selected my channels, I'll select the type. Then I can select the period, maybe just for today. I can use for today. Then you select the time, start time up to end time. Then you select the video format. In this case I want MP4 because it's easier to get. Then I just do a search. Once you search, you can just select, maybe try to play a few videos. You'll be able to see such things. Then you select the videos you want, then you click backup. The process will start. Then you see it's telling me 1.5 GB needed space. So it's going to copy all this recording into the flash disk. Then I can now unplug the flash disk and put it into any other storage that I want, or any other place that I want. Of course, when you export, the video will even come with how do we call it, a video player. So even if you exported DAV file, it will still be supported. So that is how to export a video from Dahua Recorder in the event you need to use it as evidence somewhere else. Thank you.